Be prepared for your next presentation by choosing to print slides, handouts, or notes. Start by selecting File, Print. Select Print to print each slide on a single page. Select Printer Status to choose a different printer. Use Settings, Print All Slides to pick which slides you like to print. Select Full Page Slides for different print layouts and handout options. Select 4 slides vertical to save paper by printing more slides on a single page. Next, let's print speaker notes. Select Full Page Slides, Notes page. To save on color ink costs, select Color, Grayscale. Now, let's print.